Good morning, friends. It's Sweet Melissa. EP is ahead of me. It is Friday, April 16th, 2021, and we're going on a kayak adventure out at John Pennekamp. It's a beautiful kayak through the mangroves. Let's see how much I can take you with us. It's a beautiful morning out here on the water. Super still. Not much wind, perfect day for a kayak adventure. This water is so clear. I don't know if y'all can see how clear it is, but it is so clear. So EP and I are going to go check out the mangroves. We kayaked through here the other day. It was a lot of fun. Alright, let me catch up with EP. This winter we really kayaked a lot of mangrove areas, and most of them have been really shallow, but this one here at John Pennekamp, these mangroves are pretty deep when you go through them, which is different, but it allows you to get to see a whole lot of different animals in here. I had to watch my paddle because I'm floating through the mangroves and I don't want to catch my paddle. If you noticed in the video earlier that EP was taking, I had split my paddle in half because going through the mangroves, it can be a little tricky with paddles getting caught up in the mangrove trees, and you can flip your boat. I said on an earlier video about my friend Ansley flipping her boat this past season when we were down in Lido Key. Thankfully it was really shallow, salt water, so there was no worry about gators, and it was easy for her to get back into her kayak. Here, it may not be that easy. Let me show you. It's pretty clear here. Let me show you what I'm talking. So I really can't tell how deep it is, but it's much deeper than the other places we kayaked through mangroves. Really clear too. It's floating with the current. It's gonna take me a whole way back. I need a rudder though because I'm floating into the mangroves. Just saw a stingray. I wasn't fast enough to get my camera out.
Let me get a picture.
EP's gonna try to get it. There's a lot of really cool stingrays in the area. There's spotted stingrays and regular stingrays. And yesterday when EP was swimming in the water, I totally missed this. I wish I would have seen it, I think. He was snorkeling and a stingray jumped out of the water and jumped over him. Very grateful that I'm floating backwards, so I wanted to see what's behind me. he did not get hit by that stingray. I heard this loud smack on the water, and he came. I didn't see what happened, but he came back. He's like, "Did you see that?" And I was like, "Nope, didn't see anything." What are you talking about? I'm looking in the water here to see if I can see anything for you guys as I float backwards. Let me see what's behind me. There he goes, EP. Oh, we can catch him all right, but I'd rather just float. Check out what's underneath me. It's so beautiful here. Okay friends, we're back. That was a beautiful day out on the water. Lots of things to see, little fishes everywhere, big fishes, beautiful stuff. And we saw a big iguana on the way back. EP got a picture of it, but we didn't get a video because we didn't want it to land in our boat. It was a great day to be out on the water. It's always a good day to be outside in nature. I hope that you get outside today too and enjoy nature. Till next time, friends. We'll see you later. Have a great day. Peace. Thanks for watching today, friends. Make sure you like and subscribe. Hope to see you again next time. Have a great day. Bye.